primary role of being a leader is to uplift the people that are doing the work in their business. Because if you do that, then the business will succeed to whatever level it possibly can. And to say, how do I make them feel better about themselves, want to get better, and be open to the criticism? The way you make them open to feedback is you be open to feedback. You be comfortable admitting you're wrong. The worst kind of leader is the one looking for somebody to blame when everything goes wrong or anything goes wrong. The first part of the meeting is, whose fault is this? That's not leadership. That's the opposite. So you have to be bold enough to say, look, I let it happen. I hired him. I gave him permission. I gave him free rein to do that. We tried this project and it didn't go right. I'm accepting responsibility for the choices that I made led to that. All of a sudden, the whole room has to say, well, I got to be, if he's gonna admit he's wrong, if he's gonna take responsibility, then that's what I have to do. It's axiomatic. You have to lead by example, but a lot of people don't. It's like, you're going to do what you do, and I'm going to behave the way I'm going to behave, and those things don't necessarily intersect.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below, and we'll see you in the next clip.